Unveiling the phrase, sun worshipper, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, sun worshipper. This term has rich cultural and linguistic roots, and it's a great example of how language can capture lifestyle and attitude. Let's explore what it means to be a sun worshipper and how this phrase is used in everyday English. Sun worshipper might sound like it's about religious practices, but it's actually a playful term in modern English. A sun worshipper is someone who loves the sun and spends a lot of time in it, often for leisure or relaxation. It's important to note that this phrase is metaphorical and doesn't imply actual religious worship. The term is often used in casual, conversational settings. For example, she's such a sun worshipper, always at the beach during summer. It's a neutral to positive term, generally indicating someone's preference for sunny, outdoor activities. However, it's not typically used in formal or professional contexts. This phrase also reflects cultural attitudes towards leisure and nature. In many cultures, spending time in the sun is associated with health, relaxation, and enjoyment. Sun worshipper captures this positive view of the sun and outdoor activities. It's a great example of how language can reflect cultural values. There are similar expressions in English, like beach bum or outdoorsy person, but each has its own connotations. Beach bum might imply laziness, while outdoorsy person is broader, including activities like hiking and camping. Sun worshipper is more specific, focusing on the love of sunbathing and sunny environments. I hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, sun worshipper, and its place in the English language. It's a vivid example of how language can reflect our lifestyles and attitudes towards nature. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the fascinating world of English phrases.